Sweet potatoes are very useful in our lives as well as our health. In addition to providing nutrition, sweet potatoes also aid digestion, improve cardiovascular health, lose weight, and stabilize blood sugar. Sweet potatoes can be propagated by cuttings or by root layering. Before planting sweet potatoes this time, I will use potato tubers to sprout before planting. From sweet potatoes, you can cut them into 4 centimeter thick slices, in quantities suitable for the containers you are growing in. For me, it would be 2 potatoes cut into 6 slices to plant in 3 black plastic baskets with an automatic watering system. Before fermenting the sweet potatoes, I will use onion mixed with water to soak the sweet potato slices for 2 hours. Onions can provide nutrition for sweet potatoes while increasing resistance, repelling insects, and stimulating sweet potatoes to root and germinate. After soaking for 2 hours, I can sow the sweet potato seeds. We can use a nursery pot suitable for the number of sweet potatoes we want to plant. This time I used sterilized coconut fiber and moss to grow sweet potatoes, because coconut fiber and moss can keep the sweet potatoes moist and are also fluffy and cool, helping the sweet potato seeds to germinate and take root more easily. I spread a layer of coconut fiber and moss at the bottom of the nursery pot, then sow the sweet potato seeds in. Then cover them with a thin layer of coconut fiber and moss. This helps keep insects out of the sweet potatoes and keeps them out of direct sunlight. And we just need to leave the nursery pot in a cool place, avoiding direct sunlight on the sweet potato seedlings. To grow sweet potatoes, I can use pots, plastic baskets to grow. And this time I will use plastic baskets and water bottles to grow sweet potatoes with an automatic watering system. To prevent the soil from falling out when I add it, I used a piece of cardboard and lined it around the pot. I used a plastic bottle, cut off the tail, and punched 2 holes in the bottom of the bottle to connect to a water pipe to automatically water the sweet potatoes. We need to use hot glue to firmly attach the connection between the pipe and the water tank to avoid water leaking out, causing waste and inefficiency. I used bamboo sticks connected together to create a vertical trellis for the sweet potato plants to climb and to hang the water bottle. It's simple, isn't it? From used items, we can take advantage of growing vegetables, tubers, and fruits on the rooftop. Simple, effective, avoids waste, and costs little. To make the soil loose and provide long-term nutritional value, we can use green manure or expired vegetables and fruits that cannot be eaten directly to fertilize the soil for growing sweet potatoes. I will use old and yellow celery leaves, cut into small pieces, to put in the sweet potato container. We fill the container with about 50% soil, spread the celery layer in, and fill the container with the required amount of soil. With this method, celery decomposes easily. Sweet potatoes can directly absorb nutrients when celery decomposes, avoiding insect invasion. To prevent the sweet potatoes from getting waterlogged, I used a hot blowtorch to create drainage holes in the pot. After just 10 days of incubation, the sweet potatoes have taken root and sprouted healthily. Now we can plant them in pots. In the selection and propagation stage, if done correctly, the seedlings will grow well and the efficiency will be higher later. At this time, the sweet potatoes have sprouted, plump, and grown very strongly. We just need to cover the seed potatoes with soil so that they can freely exchange nutrients. With this automatic watering system, after planting trees, we just need to put water in the vase. The water will slowly flow down the tree, helping to keep the humidity stable, not eroding the soil. Once the sweet potatoes have strong roots and are growing healthy leaves, we need to care for them. Chicken eggs are not only good for human health, but also very good for plant care. I will use chicken eggs buried in the roots of sweet potato plants, helping the plants have enough nutrients for a long time. Chicken eggs are very effective in plant care. They provide abundant calcium, help plants grow healthily, increase resistance, develop leaves, and are especially good in preventing pests for plants. When the sweet potato plant is mature, has good branches and leaves, and is forming tubers, we need to take care of it and stimulate the plant to produce many large tubers. Organic pellet fertilizer is also very good for sweet potatoes. Besides, it is non-toxic and environmentally friendly. It also has the property of stimulating the plant to produce fruits and tubers very well. Therefore, I choose organic pellet fertilizer to take care of sweet potatoes. After that, I still add enough soil so that the sweet potatoes can metabolize and provide natural nutrients for the plants. In addition, this also helps the sweet potatoes have enough soil space to form tubers, grow, and develop. Please subscribe, like, and comment below the video. Thank you very much. Plants, like people, cannot live without water, so I always maintain humidity by pouring water into the vase. Sweet potatoes are tubers with a short growing period, so after only 2 months, when the plant is old and mature, we can harvest. And this time, let's find out together how sweet potatoes grow tubers. Sweet potatoes can be used in many ways, such as boiled, steamed, stir-fried, fried, and combined with other ingredients to make soup. You can harvest your own way. I will cut one side of the pot to check if the sweet potatoes have grown big tubers. It's amazing that thanks to the right selection of seeds, incubation, and planting, and proper fertilization at each stage, the sweet potatoes reached 2 months old and also produced many large tubers. Now I can enjoy the fruits of my labor. What do you think about my idea? With used everyday items, we can grow vegetables, root crops, and fruit trees on balconies and terraces effectively and easily. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe, leave a comment below the video, and visit my channel often. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.